If 40 pesos is divided among 3 children and the ratio of 2:3:5, what is the size of the smallest share? Okay, so ang una natin gagawin dyan is to add the parts of our ratio. So for our step 1, we need to add the parts of our ratio. So si 2 plus 3 plus 5. So that is 2 plus 3 plus 5. That is equal to 10. Then for step 2, we need to find the value of one part. But before that, we need to imagine na ang ating ratio ay parang sum lang ng digit na 1. So each part of our ratio, so parang ganito ang kanyang kalalabasan. So in order to find the value of one part, we need to take yung total amount to be divided. So that is 40. And then i-divide natin kay 10. So that is 4 pesos. So ito na ang ating value ng 1 part. So meaning kapag sinubstitute natin dito si 4, makukuha natin yung, so lahat nito ay mapapalitan ng 4. So pwede nating makuha yung smallest share. So for step 3, we need to find the value of smallest share. Since si 2 ang pinakamababa sa ating ratio, so as you can see, we have here 4 plus 4. So we have 8. Or just simply, kunin lang natin si 2 and then multiply natin kay 4 pesos. 2 times 4 is 8 pesos. Okay? So ito na ang ating value ng smallest share. Okay, next. A farmer harvested 900 apples and wants to distribute them among 3 baskets in the ratio 4:3:5. How many apples will each basket contain? So hanapin natin dito kung ilan nga bang apple ang nakalagay each of the baskets. So again, for step 1, we need to add the parts of our ratio. That is 4 plus 3 plus 5. That is equal to 12. Then for step 2, we need to find the value of one part. So kunin natin si 900, then i-divide natin kay 12. That is equal to 75. Then for step 3, kunin natin si 4. Then i-multiply lang natin kay 75. 4 times 75 is 300. The next is si 3. So 3 times 75. So that is equal to 225. Then kunin natin si 5. 5 times 75 is 375. So therefore, ito na ang ating sagot. Okay, so sa unang basket, meron tayong 300 apples. And then sa pangalawang basket, may 225 apples. Then sa last basket, meron siyang 375. apples. And if you want to check kung tama yung sagot nyo, so we just need to add the calculated values. And kapag lalabas si 900, so that means correct yung ating mga sagot. So 5 plus 5 is 10. So that is also 10. And that is 9. So we have here 900. So that means yung ating sagot is tama. So yan lang sa ating video ngayon. So thanks for watching.